Counting objects is a Level 1 numbers treatment in the Tactus Virtual Rehab Center. Pairing a group of objects with an amount is the first step to doing simple calculations.
How many are there?
You will see a group of 1 to 15 objects or animals that you might encounter in daily life. Tap or click on the item to help you count. This is optional, but a helpful strategy. Enter the amount using the on-screen number keyboard or your physical keyboard if you're using a computer. Press Submit or Enter to check your answer.
2. How many are there?
Use the hint to see and hear the correct number.
3.
This can support transcoding, like matching a numeral to the written word.
3.
3 levels auto-adjust in difficulty based on performance. The clinician can use the level selector in the SLP toolbar to select a specific level. Here's an example of what you'll see at the highest level.
12.
Thanks for exploring the Tactus Virtual Rehab Center.